Materials required: multicolored chart papers, thermocol glass, fabric paint, scissors, marker, pencil, paper knife, adhesive, brush, googly eyes. First, paint a thermocol glass using fabric paint. Next, cut out pieces of chart paper for making the mouth, ears, etc. Now apply adhesive and paste the mouth. Next, make slits in the glass using a paper knife to place ears on the sides of the glass. Now, draw the nose and mouth using a marker pen on the cutout made for the face. Finally, apply adhesive and paste the googly eyes. And this completes the look of your thermocol glass monkey.